Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can redeem Roblox gift cards. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you want to redeem a gift card, you'll need to go ahead and log into your Roblox account, and it's best to do this on a browser. So if you're using an app, you might not get this option to redeem. Go ahead and open any browser on your smartphone or go direct to your computer to the official Roblox website and log into your account. Once you're on your account, now you'll see this option, gift cards. Go ahead and click on it and it will take you to this option where you can now redeem your gift card. So choose this option, redeem card, and this will take you to this page where you can enter your code for the card and then just click on redeem and the card will be redeemed. So that's how you can redeem Roblox gift card. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.